Hey guys, Chris here back again from CNH Smalls. You got another quick video here for you guys today. We got the SKS right here today. Got the tactical SKS specifically. Let me get this cover off the top up here real quick. And we'll be trying out the new bolt I installed right here. Here's the old bolt right here. This is the Yugo M59 C6 SKS. I got another bolt in here because we were getting some popped primers and pierced primers, I should say, as well too. Plus the actual firing pin hole basically enlarged itself right here as well too. So it had some volcanoing effect going on right here as well too. So you can get a better shot here for you. But the actual hole was getting too big on here, so we had to put another new bolt in the actual weapon right here. So we'll be trying out some different ammunition up here today specifically. So what we have here today, let me get this thing off here first. We got some Wolf 124 grain ammunition specifically here. Let's get a better shot here. Stupid sunlight glare. There you go, Wolf 124 grain. And that's this is what it looks like right here. 124 grain, plus we also have about 3 rounds of good old Leupold ammunition right here as well too. So we'll be trying out three rounds of Leupold ammunition first right here, and we'll be trying out the Wolf after that. So we got 3 rounds up here. I'm going to pop them out here right here now, specifically 1, 2, and 3 right there specifically for that. So that's the top 3. So we'll go ahead and put that back in here right now, so you can just, I just want to show you proof for verification the weapon is working with a new bolt. I got a new bolt on eBay here from a guy. He was selling unserialized bolts. Basically what they are is bolts that have not been installed in a SKS. So basically what you can do is you can buy them from him and put them in your SKS, and hopefully you should not have any kind of headspace issues with it, because I did not have to modify the actual locking lug in the back here as well for this machine, so it did not have any problems with that. So we'll go ahead and put the camera down here real quick. I'll load the magazine back up here, and we'll do a quick 2 or 3 minute shot right here for that, so you can see the actual functionality of the weapon. Plus I'll also provide the actual spent shell casings, what they actually look like on the back here for that, because if you have a excessive headspace issue, the first thing you'll notice is the actual primers will be backing out on here specifically for that. The primers will be like lifted up on the back right here. Plus you might also see a bulged area in the back right here, or separated casings in the back as well too. So let me put my camera down here real quick, and I'll get the camera set up over here as well too for you guys. Okay, get these things loaded up. 1, 2, and 3. Let me get the mag loaded up here as well. Okay, mag's ready to go. Put the camera down up here. Okay, get the camera situated. That looks good right there. Get a good shot up here in the angle. Okay, good to go. Okay guys, got the SKS loaded up here right now. We got 3 rounds, plus the other 7 rounds will be the Wolf 124 grain military classic ammunition. So we'll do a rapid shot here for it, and just do a general function test for the actual new bolt assembly right here as well too. Okay, let me get a good stance here for you. Let me just sit over here like this. Oh, it's better right there. Okay. Looks good. Good to go. Good angle. Alright, optics on. Okay, good to go. Function great. No failures to feed, no failures to eject. So overall, the shell's working fine, no problem with it whatsoever. And we'll go ahead and get a couple shells here that we shot. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I got 4 here, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we'll go ahead and show you what these look like. The camera here. Okay, all the spent shell casings look okay. Here's what they look like on the back here. Typically you want to take like a straight edge across the back of the actual we don't call spent shell on here, just to make sure everything's straight across on here. These primers look fine, they don't have any problems, so it looks like it's straight across. I'm just going to stand this thing up over here and put like a straight angle. I mean, it probably won't work here, but I could probably do this on here and make it look, so we can see any kind of gapping between this thing on here. Sorry about this, guys. Okay, don't see anything bulging sticking up out of the back. Nope, looks fine. Primer pocket looks okay, it's not pierced, so it's good to go for the actual steel case stuff right there. No problem. That's the El Cheapo Man's Wolf 124 grain stuff, good to go, no problem, great. Here's another one right here, looks okay. It's totally flat, looks like on there. I don't see any you know, deviations or anything else like that. I don't see any separated shell casings in the back. And here's the good old Lapula brass as well too. Lapula brass looks fine. Primer pocket looks fine, and it does not appear to be bulging out in the back on there as well too, so it looks absolutely fine. I don't see any you know, the primer's backing out or nothing on it. It looks totally flat to me on there for that. So here's another one right here as well for verification. Good stuff. Best ammunition you can buy for your 7.62 gun. Looks fine in the back. Don't see any problems, no headspace separation anywhere on here, or I should say no separation of the case, I should say, sorry about that. And the primer pocket looks fine. The primer itself looks fine. It's not backing out, so it looks great. Looks great, guys. Two thumbs up. Two thumbs up for the actual new bolt from the guy on eBay. I'll put a link at the bottom of the actual page here for that specifically, so if you want to possibly buy a new SKS bolt for your SKS gun, whether you have a Yugo, Chinese, Russian, whatever you have out there. This one right here, this is a Yugo SKS with a Tapco modified stock right here specifically. So this is what it looks like. I can probably go ahead and take the bolt out here, so let me put the camera down here real quick, and I'll take the bolt assembly out here real quick, guys. Okay, set that down real quick. Okay, put this thing back open. Okay, get that thing out of the way, get the magazine out of the way. We'll take the cover off real quick. Okay, show you that this is the proof. We have the original, or I should say the new bolt and the original out of here. Okay, here we go, guys. This thing out of here. Here's a bolt carrier. Put that aside. Here's the original bolt we had right here. The original bolt, as I said before, was having volcanoing effects on the actual firing pin channel hole right here. It was getting enlarged on, so that was one reason why we had to change that. Plus, we also had some popped primers, and also primers were also being, you know, it was going too deep into the actual primer. So here's a new bolt assembly right here for that. What I did was I rebuilt the actual bolt assembly right here for that specifically. Got a new extractor on here a couple of years back, Russian extractor. Got a new firing pin. I got the original three-sided firing pin in here. Got a new firing pin retainer in here as well too. And the actual hole looks perfectly fine on here, no problems with that. Let me see if I can put them side by side here so you can see the holes. So there's the two holes right there. The one on the left is noticeably larger for the actual hole, and the one on the right is basically a brand new bolt that was never installed in any kind of weapon. So that's what it looks like. Good to go. And the locking lug, or I should say the we'll call headspace lug in the back, looks perfectly fine. No problem with it whatsoever. The gun's functioning great up here, no problems. And it's good to go, guys, for the El Cheapo Wolf 399 Military Classic. I buy this stuff on AmmunitionStore.com if you want to buy a super cheap price. Wolf Military Classic 124 grain, $3.99 on AmmunitionStore.com. And the Lapula ammunition, you can also buy this stuff on various websites. The only problem is I really don't know when the last time I bought this stuff. It was probably about 3 or 4 years ago, and I think I got it on Midway USA for like 45 bucks. It was kind of expensive, and it's basically good ammunition to test out the functionality and the accuracy of your AK style or you know, SKS weapon up here for your range. So if anybody has any comments, questions, whatnot about this, feel free to leave me a message here, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible with some kind of detailed message about your question. I'll see you guys. Have a nice day.